Kenya, known as the land of adventure, offers breathtaking landscapes, wild animals roaming freely, and sunsets that paint the sky in gold and red. But before you head out on this unforgettable journey, do you know how to prepare? A Kenyan safari is not just about excitement, it's about smart planning too. The best time to visit is during the dry seasons, from June to October and December to March, when the weather is pleasant and wildlife viewing is at its best. Wondering what to pack? Light, comfortable clothes in neutral shades, sturdy shoes, sunscreen, a hat, insect repellent, and a camera are must-haves. Have you thought about your health and safety? Getting vaccines like yellow fever and typhoid and taking malaria protection are very important. Always carry travel insurance, copies of your documents, and drink only bottled or filtered water. Once you're out in the wild, remember, the animals are the real stars. Keep your distance, stay quiet, and follow your guide's advice for a safe and respectful experience. Want to make your trip even more special? Support local communities by buying handmade crafts or learning a few words in Swahili to greet the locals. A safari in Kenya is more than just a holiday. It's a chance to connect with nature, explore a new culture, and create memories that last forever. Your Kenyan adventure starts here. Check the description for a complete e-visa guide and travel tips to make your trip smooth, safe, and unforgettable from day one.